Hi guys, it's Khy, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to distress jeans, and she's done this before, so she's basically going to be teaching like us how to do it. So I found these old pair of pants in my drawer or whatever, and I was like, I should do something with it because I don't wear them anymore. They're like old, like middle school old. So she's gonna help. I can distress it, right, and then turn it into shorts, right?
Yeah. Or you could cut it and then turn it short.
Well, I don't even wear shorts, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're just gonna distress them. Listen to our teacher talk first. It would say whatever you would say.
Okay, first you need to put the pants on
Why do
so
I
you
need to
can
put them?
draw a line of where you want to cut. Do you know what you want to cut?
No.
Do you know how you want to cut it?
No, I didn't know
Okay.
all this stuff. This is what you're here to explain.
Put the pants on.
So basically, I think I want to do some knee slits, maybe a little like patching, like how my other ripped jeans look.
So you're trying
But-
to write us my black jeans. Okay. Okay. So-
You do it. I'm
Alright.
bottom.
First you have to draw like lines of where she's trying to cut at, so you want like directly right here.
I don't know what you think's good. I just want knee cuts.
Bend your knee.
Down.
You can straighten up now. Bend these knees.
She's marking where she's going to cut, I guess.
Yeah.
What?
You want both knees?
Yeah. No, one. And then do a thing here.
A book.
Sure.
How big is it? You want all this distress. Okay. So I have a line up here, and then a line where?
Here.
Okay. Alright. Do you want to do a small one over here or what?
Yeah, we can do a small one.
And make sure you do this with a pencil that you can see the line with clearly. This one is dark enough, but alright.
No, what's next?
She need to take them off and we can start cutting.
Okay.
Make sure you get a good pair of scissors and some tweezers because you're going to be plucking the strings out. So,
Talk through it. What are we doing?
I'm trying to remember because I did this like 3 years ago, my
Do we
freshman
turn
year.
them inside out?
I'm trying to think. No, I think you turn them inside out when you
Start cutting.
when you wash them. You know what? Okay, so take your scissors, and so right here you gotta cut it. And then
Y'all,
you'll
I
try-
think she's just going by whatever at this point. I don't know if they can see me in the frame, but
No, I know
because she can't seem to remember what she's doing.
it's fine. And you might want to try it on one more time after we cut it.
The line's not even.
It's gonna be fine because when you wash the jeans, it doesn't matter if the line is even, but when you wash them, it'll help to open up the patch more, so it doesn't have to be as neat. It's distress. It's not supposed to be neat.
But the line. Is that
All
right?
right. Yeah. If you wanna, that's fine.
Okay.
If you wanna widen it, you can, but you can see how it looks when your knee is actually in there.
Should I cut that?
Yeah.
So
So
I forgot. There's.
yeah.
I can't even see. Y'all should probably get fabric scissors, because these are like. When do we have these elementary school?
Mm-hmm.
These are the. I think this is the OG Hannah Montana scissors. So. Never mind.
You better make sure you got in there right.
Honestly, I can barely cut anything being as that these scissors are trash.
Didn't buy you some scissors.
And then what am I gonna use scissors for? Nothing. You're the one who's gonna have the sewing kit in her room. I'm just gonna come in whenever I want to.
No, that's not how that's gonna
Yes,
work.
this is how it's gonna work. Okay, guys, the jeans are all cut up and whatnot.
So, just to make sure your knee is correct, I would try this on again to see how it opens when you bend your knee.
Okay. And now what?
So, because of this, it looks like it's like overlapping because there's like so much excess fabric. So I was saying you could try it on so we could see, and then we could cut like.
Okay, you do it.
Alright, so I opened her knee up a little bit more.
And we're gonna do the little stringy thing,
Yep.
right? Okay.
Alright, so now after you do that, you just look here and you peel the pull on the strings from this way.
From this way.
Yes.
What if what's like that? Do I just keep going?
Yeah.
Is it supposed to do that?
It might just be because yours is stretchy material.
And where am I? How am I pulling this? Where am I pulling to?
You're just pulling it straight out.
Oh, the strings are supposed to slip out.
Yeah.
Are they blue strings or white strings? Blue strings. So why did you tell me to pick the white one?
I didn't know how your jeans was made, sis. They gonna come out anyway.
How many am I supposed to?
Gonna look like after you finish cutting them. So you try them on to make sure they look like if you want them to, and before you throw them in the wash, you can add any more cuts to make them look even better if you want them to. But they do look blocky right now. But when you put them in the wash, it's gonna round it all out and like kind of help peel back these ones too. So if it's okay if it's not like perfect or clean or whatever. It's not supposed to be. And the wash will help it look even like more better. So she wants to do a couple more cuts, I think. And then the next step is to put it in the washer.
Okay, so I added a few more cuts and whatnot to it. So what's next?
Now she just has to put them in the washing machine.
Like this?
Yeah.
I thought you turned it inside out.
I mean, you can.
Did you do that?
I don't remember. Khy did this 3 years ago.
I believe everyone washes their pants
Well, yeah.
inside out. So that's how we're gonna do it. We'll get back to y'all when they're done. So yeah. Okay guys, so these are the pants. I don't know if you can see me, but these are the pants. They just got out of the dryer and I'm gonna put them on in a second. Y'all can see how it like shrunk up a little bit and how the little stringy things are curly now and whatnot, but I'm gonna try it on now.
So this is how they came out. I think they look really good, especially for my first time. So yeah, I definitely will probably wear these. I will definitely wear these out. Let me try and cuff this and see if they look better, cause I usually cuff my jeans. Yeah, I like them. I like how they came out. They look nice. Your thoughts?
I did good.
You didn't do anything. You just talked. I did the work. But I'm scared to sit down. I don't want them to rip, but
It's not gonna rip. That's why I cut them the way I did.
I think I did good. I like them. You can sit down too.
These are jeans I ripped too, by the way.
What did you do? Oh, yeah, these, and then she has some other ones.
These are the other
She
ones.
did.
They look tension.
They look fine. I know black pants just fade.
Yeah, they're a little bit faded. They're like 3 years old.